Hey guys, Don Keating here, Team DonnyBoy 8. Today I'm going to do a video on an automatic trading bot that I've been testing out and had some pretty good success with it already. It's called CryptoHopper, and I'm going to go through some of the information about it. I'm going to let you watch this quick video that they did on their site. I think it gives you a good background, and then I'm going to go through and actually show you my account and what I'm doing and how it's working. So here you go, listen to this first.
Welcome to CryptoHopper.com, the automated crypto trader that earns money for you so you can focus on the important things in life. Wait, what? Earning money without any knowledge about the current cryptocurrency system? How is this possible? First, you need to know what cryptocurrencies are. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many more. These currencies are a revolution to our monetary system and are gaining value at an extreme rate. A characteristic of these digital assets is that they're very volatile, meaning that the price can both drop and rise multiple times a day. This is where CryptoHopper.com comes in. When the prices are low, the CryptoHopper automatically buys the cryptocurrencies of your choice. The CryptoHopper sells when you've made profit. You can configure the CryptoHopper and tell at how many % profit you want to sell. We have multiple strategies, and we will keep adding new ones. It's possible to customize your strategy. Click the advanced settings and customize the strategy to your needs. You can choose which assets the CryptoHopper is going to trade. Do you want to sell your position earlier than planned? No problem. Just click Sell Position, and the Hopper sells the position. For the first time in crypto history, it's possible to link signalers to a trading bot, so you can combine the prediction powers of the signalers with our 24/7 working hopper. But what is a signaler? A signaler is a person or group of people that scan the crypto markets and look for signs that the rate of a currency is going to move upwards. Signaler Coindicator, for example, uses cloud computing and cutting-edge machine learning algorithms to screen hundreds of technical indicators 24/7 for all digital currencies. How about safety? CryptoHopper.com trades on your behalf on an exchange of your choice, so you pick an exchange you trust. Deposit the funds you're going to trade on that exchange, and with an API key, we can trade on your behalf. Sounds great, right? Start trading now and get your first trial month free. No strings attached. Start earning money. Create an account at CryptoHopper.com.
Alright, that gives you a general overview of what it is. But a couple things they had said there was that they do give you 30 days free trial, which I think was pretty awesome, because a lot of these other ones you have to buy to even get access to see if it's right for you or whatnot. And then once they do that, they have 3 different membership levels. When you do the free account, they start you on this one, and it is completely free, 30 days. They don't even ask you your payment information or anything. It's totally free. At the end of the 30 days, the bot just doesn't work anymore, so if you don't want to actually pay for it, you never have to. But the first one, they call it their bunny one, and it's up to 80 positions, 15 coins, and 2 triggers with 10-minute intervals, and that's $19 a month. The hare one just adds more positions, more triggers, more everything, and quicker, and that's $49 per month. And then the kangaroo is the one that's like their max, and that's 500 positions, 75 coins, all coins for signals, max 10 triggers. They also do arbitrage and buying with 2-minute intervals, and that's $99 a month. So even at this one, you know, times 12 months, it's still $1,200, which is much cheaper than many of the other options that are out there. And one of the other trading bots I have has a cap on the amount of funds that they will invest. You have to buy new subscriptions. This one here, these are the conditions. So you can have 500 positions at, you know, 1 Bitcoin each if you want. There's no dollar amount. It's just the amount of positions and things like that. So I wanted to show you the account I started. Let me just refresh it. I mean, right now it shows you all the coins that they had bought for me. I only gave it 0.12 Bitcoin to play around with. I'm still on the free one. You can see it says trial up here. So it had bought Digibyte, Litecoin, Potcoin, Ripple, Dash, Ethereum Classic, and Redcoin. And you can see if you toggle, I mean, this is really easy to use. It shows everything. If you want to toggle, it'll show you exactly what's going on, how long you've owned it. And you can see down here too as well the open positions, which one's up. There was other ones that were up that I already sold. I don't know if you could see that though. I'm still kind of learning the system because I've only been a member of this a few days here, but don't ignore this because this isn't correct. But right now it's saying I'm down 3% total, and that's in I think 2 or 3 days. I think this button here is hilarious. This is a panic button, and if you want to if you hit this button, it's going to sell everything and stop the bot. So if you really think it's going to be Armageddon here, you can hit this button and it will sell all your positions and stop the bot, so it won't buy anything else either. So I thought that was pretty cool. But the way that this is oh, here's trade history. Maybe it's here. Okay, yeah, here's the two that I had that I sold for 2.39% gain and 2.99% gain. So all the other ones they had bought. Okay, so like I said, I just started this. This is my first trade. Was they bought on the 5th, which is yesterday at 1 p.m. So this is brand new, and I just wanted to do a video on it to let you guys know kind of what's going on with it. But I really like that you guys can try it out for free. So I suggest you at least try it out and see if it's something that you like. But the way this is really good. I mean, they have the way you could set this up. You can hit this config button and you pick your exchange that you want to have it on. I'm right now running on Bittrex because I have my other bot is running on Binance, so I just had them separated. But all you do is you put in your API keys when you set that up to give them access, and you can pick what your base currency is, and then you pick what coins you want them to trade. For right now I've only given them access to 12 coins myself, but I'll probably add more depending on what's going on with it. But anything on Bittrex you can pick, and they'll add it over and it'll be in there. You can pick all these strategies. I'm picking this one right now, but they have you can have it set just for your external signals only. They have Bollinger Bands, Bollinger Band Advanced, Relative Strength Index, and Fixed Rates. Percentage profit you can pick. So if you want them to sell once you get a certain amount of profit, I have it set at 5%, but as you see I sold 2 of them at 3% just because I wanted to test it out. And then you could pick how you want your last ticker. If you want it the highest bid, lowest ask, always use last tick, use last tick if higher or lower, percentage lower bid. I mean, this thing is totally customizable, which I love, and it's very easy. I mean, everything here has a question mark, so if you're not sure what it is. So you can enable a stop loss, and it says warning, watch out. Anything that could hurt you, it says watch out. Enable stop loss orders. Your coins will be sold with a loss if they go lower than the percentage configured. So right now I have this set at if they drop more than 5%, they automatically sell, which I love. Trailing stop loss. So if your coin is growing up, so if you have a 4% increase and you want to trail the stop loss, you can trail it, so it'll automatically sell once it goes over this at I have it set at 3.5%, but you could set this at whatever you want. So it's awesome. I mean, the way that this is customizable is amazing. You can have it trail stop buy, hold asset. So if you have an asset that you have set to sell at 5%. If it hits 5%, but the signals are still saying that it's a buy, it won't sell. It'll hold on until it becomes a sell order, and then once the signals say it should sell, it'll sell. So, I mean, this is crazy. And then they have dollar cost averaging, which is awesome. If you want to just hold a position for a certain amount of time, it'll just sell. So, And this thing is great the way it can automatically do all this stuff, and you can totally customize this. And this is just a basic one. There's so much other stuff you can figure out, but I do have signals on too. I used CoinPulse Alpha, so this is one of those signaling programs that they showed in the initial video that you can use, and this one's totally free. Their performance based on their recommendations is what, 332% for the, I believe that's for the year, which is ridiculous. So I mean, I really like this one, so I wanted to just kind of tell you guys what's going on with it. I have it to notify me of what's going on, but you can have how many max positions, how much percentage positions, how much BTC per order you want to allow the bot to have access to, the maximum BTC. So if you have, like, you know, 5 BTC in your account, but you only wanted to trade 1 BTC, you could do that. So I mean, I love it the way that it could set it up. And then the signals that they have here, they have access to all these, but look at some of them have a subscription fee. So just kind of watch which ones you subscribe to, because if they're not free and you click this, I'm not sure if they charge you or what happens, but I mean, for when you want to subscribe, you just hit subscribe and it automatically does. So it's just super easy. Really, everything in here is super easy. But I mean, some do better than others, of course. But I'm surprised some of them are free, and the ones that are expensive are not much better than the ones that are free. So I don't know. You guys do that, check it out yourself. I don't know much about the signals, to be honest, but this one here is doing fantastic, and it's free, so why not, right? And you can see all this information. Like I said, check it out. It's totally free, so I suggest you guys follow the link and at least sign up and check it out for yourself, because you have nothing to lose. At the end of the 30 days, if you don't attach it to your account, you don't actually like it, you never get charged, so you really don't have much to lose. But like I said, they have the how it works thing is external signals, like I just showed you. You can attach it to these. This is the first bot, as they said in the video, and as far as I know, it's the first bot to do this. Usually if you're using external signals, you have to watch the signals yourself and then come in and manipulate the bot to match the signals, where this one here can actually use those signals to automatically buy and sell, which is awesome. Of course, it has the intuitive design. It's been easy to use and easy to learn, which I can agree with. I've tried other bots. I've tried Gunbot and the Profit Trailer, and from what I can understand, they're wonderful bots, but I can't recommend them to somebody that doesn't know some decent computer skills, because they were not automatic. You had to pick your pairs, you had to do some programming, you had to learn some basic information on how to enter the information into the program. It was not just straightforward like this. So I didn't like it, and I knew that other people that follow me will not like it either, because I know the questions that you guys ask. So I was trying to find something that was super easy. I do Crypto World Evolution as well, which is also easy, but this one here is even better, I think. So far, like I said, I'm only in it 2 days, but so far I like this one a lot better. They have the forum that you can talk and share ideas. I haven't gone into that yet, so I can't really comment on it. Our exclusively designed strategies are all included. Adjust strategy per coin and tweak them as much as you'd like. So I showed you some of that custom information you could set up. They do have back testing. If you wanted to test your strategies on a coin before actually starting it, you can do that. And select up to 75 coins. Your hop will be able to buy any currency a signature will give a signal for, and spread risk by investing in multiple coins. Okay. Again, it's super easy to use. You can read the performance reports of signatures and subscribe to the best signals. That's what I was just showing you. You could choose different strategies, and there's a lot of different strategies that I don't currently understand, like Bollinger Bands and whatnot. So I have to actually learn a little bit more about that to see if that's something I want to switch to, but I showed you what I'm setting up as right now. And they do have a lot of videos that they have for free online that you can learn step by step on how to set this up, and some different information about how to use the account. And that's another thing. This is why I'm doing these, and some other options that I'm doing is these guys never have control of your coin. They're always on your exchange, and they only have access through the API key to do trades on your behalf. They never have access to withdraw any of your money. So it's much safer than some of these other programs. I mean, we just had a huge scam happen with Falcon Coin. You know, a lot of people lost a lot of money, myself included in that one. I mean, I really believed in those guys, and they really knifed us in the back. You know, it's bad. I mean, they were supposed to go on their external exchange, yes, on the 4th or the 5th, and they decided instead to make a fake news and get as much money as they could right before, and then just leave in the middle of the night with all the money. I think they stole about $12 million, from what I understand. How much in deposited amount they had was about $12 or $13 million. So God help if anybody finds those guys, which is sad, because it's just sad. So that's the new direction. If you watched my last video, there's no more lending programs. There's a couple that I've been involved with from the very beginning that I'll follow through until the end, but as far as putting more money into them or new money, I would not. So you may see a video on the channel about some of the other they're not really lending programs anymore. A lot of them are staking or cloud mining or things like that. They've changed, trying to stay ahead of the changes in the market. But there will never be a new lending program or anything new on this channel in that regard. So I have one coming out that's I've been following for a month or two now. It changed from a lending program to a staking program, but other than that, you're not really going to see any new lending programs on this channel. I'm not going to endorse them anymore. I'm not even really going to endorse any new staking programs or anything like that. It's going to be ICOs, because they are still very important to be a part of. They have to be a small part of your portfolio, but they do still need to be part of it. A lot of trading bots and a lot of mining. So you'll see below this video the new recommended portfolio, and you'll see it's totally different. All the affiliate links are gone. There's only a couple left on some of the mining stuff, but there's no more lending programs or any of that nonsense on this anymore. So again, that's why I'm showing you this trading bot. You can see exactly what I'm doing. I showed you this is my actual account of what I'm doing right now, and so far so good. So I recommend it. Like I said, at least check it out. It's completely free, so you don't have to worry about putting up any money to check it out. And then you can start it for as little as $19 a month, which is pretty cheap too. So check it out when you get a chance and see if it's something that you want to get into. But if you do want to start it up, you can see here I have it set up for now for Bittrex, but if you hit new, you can see all the different options they have, and then there's the Academy that shows up. But they have Binance, which is the Hopper. They have Bittrex, which is the one I showed you right now. They have a USD Tether Hopper, USD Tether Hopper for Bittrex, Poloniex Coindicator bot. They have a GDAX, USD Hopper, Coindicator bot for Poloniex, Kraken USD, Kraken Euro, and GDAX Euro Hopper. So they have different options depending on what you're looking for. And this is the one I currently was showing you guys right now. I have it set up for Bittrex, but I will probably have it set up for Binance as well. But right now, this is what I have. So you guys check it out and see, like I said, see if it's something that you're interested in. Right now, you can start it with no money, no active subscription like myself, and mess around with it. See if it's something you like. But so far, so good. I'll try to do more updates on it so that you guys can see kind of what's going on with my account. And hopefully it turns out to be what I hope it's going to be, and another option to gain some passive income. But that's it for this one. If you guys have any questions about it, definitely email me. I will try to answer anything that I can. It's donkeat, DONKEAT @gmail.com, and I'll put the Telegram group up for the bot trading group that we run, so you guys can go in there too and ask questions, and you guys talk about this bot or other bots or whatever you want around bot trading. So I appreciate your time, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Thanks.